I got the hood open a bit, but there's just a 3/8 chain sitting in there holding it down. So now I gotta go get some bolt cutters, try and open this all the way. But here it is in the sunlight, one of the rare times. Sunday's the only day I don't work, so time to just get things done. Put some rollers on it. Pull the old tires off. 1, 2. This one doesn't want to hold air, but good enough. Had to fight with it. Managed to get the doors open. No keys still. I got both doors open. Got the hood popped. So we're getting closer every step. Oh, standing in my own way. So, only broke one lug nut in the whole process, and that was more just stupidity than anything else. Got the hood popped, like I said. Take a look inside here. Maybe you guys can see this. Oh, this cobweb's no big deal. Let's see if I can get in there. Yeah. That reads 91,000, I believe. Well, I was taking wheels off and stuff, just noticing. Look at that. Body's still there. Body by Fisher. I don't know where all this rust came from, but I'm going to assume it's from up in the roof coming down. But I was looking around. You get sheet metal for all this stuff. I'm not too worried. Yeah. So this is where it stands. Now I got to get the hood open. Got to get the door lock out. I got to find out how to turn the ignition, so I put it in neutral, finally get it out of here. I came here, I don't know, it was a Thursday night and messed around trying to get this all ready to roll and failed miserably. So that'll be in the video just after this, so you could laugh about that, I guess. And yeah, 69 Firebird, 91,000 miles. Oh yeah, so I've taken off this front passenger side so that I had a bent tie rod, and I'm going to assume, since I had winter tires on, last sticker on the car says 79, that this car, you know, they must have hit something in the snow, slid around, bumped the tie rod, parked it back here, haven't moved it since, and it's complete. Rusty, but it's complete. Even got an engine there. Already saw that it's got one from underneath. So original 350 car. I can assume its numbers matching, which is awesome, and we'll see what we could do with it. So for now, I'm gonna run to the shop, get some bolt cutters, and I don't know if that'll be a part of this video or the next video will be me getting the hood off of this thing and seeing if we just can't get the neutral switch down by the linkage adjusted. Just knock it into neutral, see if I can do something, maybe take the steering wheel off to get it to roll, maybe down by the steering box, and get this thing the hell out of here. Alright, we got our bucket full of tools. We got our spare tires laying all over the place. And yeah, let's see if I can get this truck out of here. What am I saying? No idea what I'm saying. Oh, there's Big Red doing big red things. Oh, look at that. Don't she look sweet? Got all the lights on because tonight we're going to be putting some wheels on this thing, using the chainsaw again. It looks like I do have to get that bush out of here, so I can get the wheels on it. Got to figure out getting the hubcaps off. Gonna take the glass out of it as well, and yeah, get this set up. So you probably can't hear me too well, but if you can, just to let you know how unprepared I was, didn't think this through. I didn't bring a full-size flathead screwdriver to pop the hubcaps off. I got a 2-inch that was in the truck. I forgot the PB blaster, so these old nuts might just strip themselves off. I did bring a nice torch, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna clean it off with some brake clean, pour some power steering fluid in it, because I mean that meets all OEM performance requirements. I mean that should take care of it. And they're gonna see if I can lift this thing off the ground without it cracking in half. And then we'll get to the wheels. Oh yeah, and my flashlight died, so I'm using the flashlight off of my impact driver. Didn't realize that was there. There's locking nuts. That's a locking nut there. Gotta figure out how to get something like that off. But I think I'm gonna brake clean it some more, put some heat in these bolts, and just see if they want to come out. But first, let's get this thing off the ground. Of course, I don't have a good plan for what to do here, but I do have a pair of pliers, right? So, did the right thing and smacked on a socket over this locking nut, got it to come off, but at the same token got the socket stuck on the locking nut. So now I'm gonna hit it with the fire, see if I can't get the socket back off the locking nut, and then maybe, just maybe, I'll get that wheel off.